Hi there. In this video I'll show you how to include random text in your document. Microsoft Word has two built-in functions in order to accomplish this task. One is the lorem function and the other is the random function. In order to use these functions, you should start with the equal sign. Lorem, the first parameter is the number of paragraphs. In this case, let it be 4. And the second parameter is the number of sentences. So let it be 6. When you click enter, the lorem ipsum text in 4 paragraphs, 6 sentences each, will be incorporated into your document. The second function is the random function. Again, starting with the equal sign, we type rand, not random, but rand. Again, 4, 6, that's 4 paragraphs, 6 sentences each. Close the bracket, hit enter, and you'll have 4 paragraphs consisting of 6 sentences each. This text comes from the Microsoft website, and it depends on what language you are using on your Microsoft Word. If you are using another language, the text will come in that language. Hope this helps. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.